Okay, we're going to do phonemic awareness. And I'm sitting down on the ground. Okay, no, seriously. We're going to do this section. And just remember what we've been doing. We are going to be adding at the beginning, all right? So, for example, we have, again, the word. What is the word? We have the word man. We are going to add, and you repeat, say man. We're going to add the word fire at the beginning. What's our new word? Fireman. All right, so again, say man. Everybody repeat. Man. Let's add the word snow at the beginning. What's our new word? Snowman. If you said that, that was correct. Let's do the next one. Man. We're going to add police to the beginning. What's our new word? Policeman. Good. So we have two more. Say man. Man. Then we're going to add male to the beginning, and our new word is mailman. Good. And we have one more. Say man. Man. We're going to add the word sales to the beginning, and our new word is salesman. Good job, guys. So on this next section, we are going to be deleting a word off the word that we have, our compound word. So the first word will be baseball. Let's delete the word ball. What's our word left? Base. So repeat with me. Football. Football. Let's take the word ball off the end. What are we left with? Foot. Good. Let's do the next one. Snowball. Repeat. Snowball. Let's take the word ball off of it. We're deleting it, and we're left with snow. All right, two more to go. Gumball. Repeat. Gumball. Let's delete the word ball. We're removing it, and we're left with gum. Good. And we have kickball. Kickball. Let's delete the word ball, and we're left with kick. Good job, guys. So remember, on the first part, we add a word to make a new one. And on the second section, we're deleting. We're taking away a word to see what word we're left with. This is tied to what Miss Montoya does with you guys as well. It's just a different way of seeing it and a different method of hearing it, okay? So for this last section is where we look at a sentence and we see how many words are in the sentence and what the punctuation is at the end of the sentence. Now remember, at the beginning of the sentence is where we start our capital letter. So I'm going to, since I'm on the floor right here, or one of our wonderful chairs on the ground, I'm going to write our sentence right here where you guys can see it. So my sentence is read, I like to read. And I told you guys I would write it. So I am. I'm starting on my left side as always. You always start on the left and at the very top, the very first option. I'm not going to start in the middle. I'm not going to start over here. I'm going to start up here. I like to read. I like to read. I start with the capital letter because it's the beginning of my sentence. This is the start of it. I space my words, and I am just telling you some information. I like to read. I'm not asking you a question. I'm not excited about something. So since I'm just relaying some information, I'm going to put a period at the end of my sentence. That's called a period. Say period. Okay, some of us, I've been asking you guys, some of us forgot what that is. That's called a period. Let's do another sentence. Do you run in gym? Let's do a different sentence. Do you have a gym? Do Repeat with me. Do you have a gym? So let's start our sentence so we can figure out what punctuation it ends with. Beginning of my sentence, I'm going to start it on this side, and I'm going to start with a capital letter. Do you have a gym? Do you have a gym? Read it with me. Do you have a gym? To me, it sounds like I'm asking something. So I'm going to use a question mark because it's a question. Now, I forgot to count the words in our sentence, so let's just do this one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 words in my sentence. I could also clap it out, but remember I use my hand and the palm to count the words as I say them. Do you have a gym? There's 5 words in this sentence, separate words that are made up of letters that put sounds together. This is why it's important that we learn our alphabet, what they're called, and what sounds go with each of them, capital and lowercase, okay guys? So one more sentence. Let's see. School is fun. Is school fun? Yeah. School, repeat with me. School is fun. So let's write our sentence. Start with the capital letter because this is the beginning of my sentence. School is fun. Started with a capital letter. I start over here on my next line because there's no room up here, right? School is fun. And I'm excited. So I'm going to use an exclamation point. So just remember, it depends on what you're trying to say and who you're trying to say it with. Are you asking something? Are you just giving information? Or are you super excited or just yelling at the top of your lungs? So that would depend if you would use a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. And then you know that with your sentences, you start with a capital letter at the beginning, you space each word out, that they're individual words to make a sentence, right? So I'm glad you guys did this. Go ahead and go on to your next section. Have a great day.